Okay, got the recording. So let's add a font field. Uh, font field. Font field. Yeah. Country font number field. The frame. So we have this simple. We have this framer font, and we have the for input. For font input. This is the phone input. Here are the settings. This is the current phone. This is that will appear. The name that will appear in the email. So label. So whatever you want. Make it required or not. This is the countries. All the countries are available. Okay, we have the background. Let's make the background something like this one. Let's change the text. The border. Let's make this for. Oh, don't make this one. What's that? Okay, so we have the border down here. And this is the data border accent. This is the error. And this is the success. We have the. You can do whatever you want. And here, what is all of this? So we're gonna go see if the email is connected. Yes, the email is connected. So let's review. And here we do Adam. Adam. Okay, we do Adam at gmail.com, which is the fake email for me now. Okay, let's do 123. Let's do a valid US email. So let's do 888 456. And for this green border, meaning that this is valid. So if we change something here, we do want to let's do 0.0000000. This is not a valid because of the flag. But it is valid, so we do make it a valid again. So 4666. Okay, now this is valid, but this works for all countries. So now let's submit. Okay, the form is submitted. So let's go to Gmail and see if we receive that email. Okay, let's see. Alan, let's refresh. Okay, the submission is there. So our client is Alan, and the phone number and its location is Amsterdam. So what we're gonna do again is let's publish. Let's publish and let's do another submission. So do okay. Let's before submitting, let's change the country. Let's do the country. Let's do country Taiwan. Let's do Taiwan. Okay, let's begin the country change. So I'm gonna publish this time, and let's go back. Okay, Thailand. Okay, let's do my Thai. Okay, this is maybe a name Thailand. So let's see if this one I don't know a number. Okay, this is a valid number. Okay, we do Amsterdam and let's submit. Let's see if we change here 169797 Okay, let's go and refresh. It's there. So we have this client from Thailand. My God. Okay, client phone. This is okay. The link